Okay, so once again, good morning. Good morning, ma'am. I am teacher Tim. So before you sit, I am requesting everyone to please arrange your chair in three groups. Normally from Miss Adelis Ramdo, o kami kay Miss Morando, please chair is para sa center of okay, everyone, please sit down. Okay, it's a review time. Okay, then section is write the colors of the rainbow that each letter stands for. Okay, pay attention, everyone. First,
Red.
first letter stands for red.
Ma'am!
Okay, Mr. Hassan.
Ma'am!
Okay, Miss Natalia. Yellow. Red, yellow. Red. Arcadia. Green. Okay, red. The next letter. Okay. Miss activity time! And then, based on how well you remember how the rainbow looks. Wow!
Ako sa yellow.
Okay. among the colors of the rainbow? Red! Okay, group 1 is okay, red. Number 2, among the colors of the rainbow, which has the best violet? Number 3. Okay, Mr.
Red.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ledesma. So number 4.
Blue.
No, that's not. Another answer. Okay. Okay, thank you. The color has the shortest wavelength is violet. Let's proceed to our next topic. Okay. Study the table of range of radial frequency, energy of light, and answer the following. So, I will provide later okay, everyone, and study the Okay, everyone, first the guide question. Question number 1. Which color has the highest frequency? Okay, thank you, Mr. Okay, question number 2. Ma'am. Okay. Which color has the lowest frequency, the longest wavelength? Red. Okay. The color has the lowest frequency and the longest wavelength is color red. Okay. Question number 3. Okay, thank you. For the last question, okay, Mr. Suarez.
Yes, ma'am.
So, now thank you everyone for your participation. Now, moving on to our topic for today. Colors of This is our proper discussion. Let's read first our objective. Demonstrate the existence of the color components of visible light using present. Display hierarchy of colors, energy, and then appreciate the least most red color according to the wavelengths and frequencies. Okay, thank you so much everyone. The red sunset and the blue sky and rainbow. Have you ever wondered how these are formed? Okay. the light can be seen when the light passes through the prism and then dispersion will happen. So, I have here a material. So, like for example, i-imagine na natin siya is all siya ang prism. So, we all know what is prism is na to, ang transparent and optical transparent mga glass or mga lenses. So, this is like for example, this is the light. So, as you can observe, the light is color white. So, if mag-agi siya sa prism, the dispersion and then dispersion happen. So, as you can observe, the light will turn blue. So, I have here a different colors. The color red. So, as you can see, when the light goes to passes through the prism, it's the color of light it has a red, So the dispersion. So what is dispersion? So dispersion is a kind of refraction which provides us a color of light. So ano siya kanina, no? Nag-provide siya of color of light. So this phenomenon is observed when white light passes through a prism. So dispersion is bringing of white light into colors. So what is prism? So prism is a transparent optical element with flat and polished surfaces that disperses light. So, as you can see here, this is an example of the prism. So, this is light. If you siya sa prism, the colors appear. So, makita na dito ang light the dispersion happens. So, the dispersion is bringing a white light into color. So, water in glass can also act as a prism and also brings white into consistent color. Okay. So, colors of light are arranged according to its frequency and wavelength. So, what is frequency? Frequency is generally measured in hertz, the unit of cycle per second. So, the color has frequency ranging from 430 hertz to 730 hertz. So, the number of waves that passes the certain point in a 1 second. So, I hear everyone. In class, I see. So, we know if the frequency is ma-measure na siya sa hertz. And then, babala ko na to, pinaiyak dagat in seconds. So, frequency is the wavelength, or the distance between responding points on subsequent wave. So, the more energy in the wave, the higher its frequency. So, the more energy that the wave has the highest frequency. And the lowest frequency has the less energy in the wave. So, this is comes to light. Violet has the highest frequency and red has the lowest energy. So, a wavelength is the distance between corresponding points to their subsequent wave. So, we can measure wavelength from crest to crest and shaft to shaft. So, like for example, this is our wavelength. So, we can measure the frequency from crest to crest on the shaft and shaft. Next. Within the band, within the band of visible light, the different wavelengths are perceived by people as different colors. So, the shortest wavelength is violet and the longest wavelength is red. So, in addition, we are having the violet has the highest, shortest wavelength, and the red has the longest wavelength. So, red, and this is the violet. And then, next is so, diffraction is the bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. So, imagine na lang I have transparent cup with cup inside it has water. So, if you put on the siya ang transparent cup na ay water, what happens to the okay. I hope everyone has now that we have ang topic. I have and ang mga okay. Question number 1. Which color has the highest frequency and energy? Okay, so it's okay, thank you. Question number 2. That white light is it a different color? Yes. Okay. Lawrence. Okay, thank you. That light split into different colors through dispersion. So what is dispersion?
It is the scattering of light when it passes through one medium.
So that's all for today, class. The first, please get a one-short sheet of paper and choose the leader of the correct answer. Write your answer.